Discover the essential techniques and mindsets to tackle any challenge effectively. This guide will transform how you approach problems in both your personal and professional life. What is problem solving? The process of identifying issues, analyzing causes, and implementing effective solutions. It's both an art and a science. Why it matters? Problem solving is the most valuable skill in today's complex world. It drives innovation, career advancement, and personal growth. Our journey. We'll explore an 8-step process with practical techniques. You'll discover how to approach any challenge systematically. Growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities to learn. Embrace the belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges. See problems as puzzles waiting to be solved. The most innovative solutions often come from the most difficult challenges. Stay curious. Ask questions constantly. Wonder why things work the way they do. Curiosity drives deeper understanding and better solutions. Recognize warning signs. Look for discrepancies between expected and actual outcomes. Pay attention to recurring issues or bottlenecks. Distinguish symptoms from causes. Don't mistake effects for the underlying problem. Dig deeper to find the real source. Create clear problem statements. Frame the issue precisely. A well-defined problem is already half solved. Ask why. First time. Start with your problem statement. Ask why this is happening to reach the first level of causes. Dig deeper with each why. For each answer, ask why again. Peel back layers of symptoms to reveal underlying causes. Reach root cause. By the 5th why, you should arrive at the fundamental issue. This is where effective solutions begin. Quantitative data. Collect numbers, statistics, and measurable facts. Seek historical data and performance metrics related to the problem. Qualitative insights. Gather opinions, experiences, and observations. These provide context and human perspective to numerical data. Focus your research. Avoid information overload. Identify exactly what you need to know before diving into research. Strategic online research. Use advanced search operators. Evaluate source credibility. Follow citation trails to find authoritative information. Stakeholder interviews. Prepare specific questions. Listen actively. Seek diverse perspectives from everyone involved with the problem. Direct observation. Watch processes in action. Take detailed notes. Notice patterns and anomalies in real-world situations. Break down complexity. Divide large problems into smaller, manageable components. Identify patterns. Look for recurring issues, trends, and relationships between elements. Map connections. Create visual representations, showing how different factors interrelate. Prioritize factors. Determine which elements have the greatest impact on the problem. Bar charts. Compare quantities across categories. Perfect for showing differences between options or time periods. Line graphs. Track changes over time. Identify trends, cycles, and anomalies in sequential data. Mind maps. Visualize relationships between concepts. Excellent for brainstorming and organizing complex ideas. Brainstorm freely. Generate as many ideas as possible without judgment. Encourage wild ideas. Consider unconventional approaches that challenge assumptions. Build on others' ideas. Combine and improve existing suggestions. Aim for quantity. Set ambitious targets for number of ideas. Design thinking. Empathize with users first. Define the problem from their perspective. Ideate, prototype, and test solutions iteratively. Scamper. Transform existing ideas through substitution, combination, adaptation, modification, purpose, elimination, and reversal. Lateral thinking. Approach problems from unexpected angles. Challenge assumptions to discover non-obvious solutions. Evaluation criteria. Solution A. Solution B. Solution C. Cost. Low. Medium. High. Time to implement. Slow. Fast. Medium. Potential impact. Medium. High. Very high. Risk level. Low. Medium. High. Technical failure. High impact, 0.8, with moderate probability, 0.4. Represents critical system malfunctions that could derail implementation. Budget overrun. Significant impact, 0.7, with higher probability, 0.6. Financial resources may be stretched beyond allocated limits. Timeline delay. Moderate impact, 0.5, but high probability, 0.7. Schedule slippage affects project momentum and stakeholder confidence. User resistance. Severe impact, 0.9, with moderate probability, 0.5. Solution adoption fails when users reject or work around new systems. Every solution carries risks. Assess both impact, how severe, and probability, how likely. Develop mitigation strategies for high-risk factors. Follow these critical steps to select the optimal solution for your problem. Pros and cons analysis. Weigh advantages against disadvantages. Evidence review. Examine collected data. Consensus building. Gain stakeholder buy-in. Final decision. Select the optimal solution. Use structured frameworks to guide your solution selection. Each model offers unique perspectives on potential outcomes and considerations. Create detailed plan. Break the solution into specific tasks. Set clear milestones with realistic timeframes. Assign responsibilities. Determine who owns each task. Ensure everyone understands their role in implementation. Communicate effectively. Share the plan with all stakeholders. Address concerns and questions proactively. Prepare for resistance. Anticipate concerns. Plan responses to common objections. Focus on benefits while acknowledging challenges. Provide training. Equip people with necessary skills. Offer resources and support during transition. Create reference materials. Monitor and adjust. Track implementation progress. Gather early feedback. Make necessary refinements to your approach. Define success metrics. Establish clear, measurable criteria. Know what solved looks like before you begin. Collect feedback. Gather input from users and stakeholders. Use surveys, interviews, and observation. Analyze performance data. Compare pre- and post-implementation metrics. Look for both intended and unintended effects. Identify improvement areas. Find aspects that could work better. View first implementation as a starting point. Performance indicators. Track specific metrics aligned with your goals. Compare against baseline data and targets. Feedback collection. Gather insights from all directions. Use surveys, interviews, and observation techniques. Analytics tools. Leverage data processing technology. Use dashboards to visualize progress and identify trends. Leverage diverse perspectives. Bring together people with different backgrounds. Cognitive diversity leads to more innovative solutions. Structure collaboration. Use frameworks that encourage equal participation. Create psychological safety for sharing ideas. Manage disagreements. View conflict as productive tension. Focus on issues rather than personalities. AI-powered analysis. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns in vast datasets. They reveal connections humans might miss and generate novel solution approaches. Predictive problem prevention. Advanced analytics can forecast issues before they occur. This shifts focus from solving problems to preventing them entirely. Immersive solution modeling. VR and AR enable teams to visualize solutions in realistic environments. Test ideas virtually before committing resources to implementation. Consider all stakeholders. Identify everyone affected by your solution. Evaluate impacts across different groups and perspectives. Maintain transparency. Document decision processes clearly. Share reasoning behind choices. Invite scrutiny and questions. Balance multiple values. Weigh efficiency against fairness. Consider short-term gains versus long-term sustainability. Question assumptions. Challenge what seems obvious. Ask, why do we believe this? Expose hidden premises in your reasoning. Recognize biases. Be aware of cognitive shortcuts. Watch for confirmation bias, anchoring, and groupthink in your analysis. Apply structured logic. Follow formal reasoning patterns. Use frameworks like MEIS, mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive, to organize thinking. Manage stress. Recognize when pressure affects thinking. Use techniques like deep breathing and reframing to stay calm under pressure. Practice empathy. See problems through others' eyes. Understand emotional impacts alongside practical concerns. Consider unspoken needs. Know yourself. Recognize your own thinking patterns. Identify emotional triggers that may cloud judgment. Leverage personal strengths. The most effective problem solvers never stop learning. Build a personal system to capture insights and track industry developments. Case: supply chain disruption. A manufacturing company faced severe delays. Production halted due to missing components from overseas suppliers. Analysis approach. The team used 5 whys to identify root causes. They created a risk matrix for potential solutions. Solution implementation. They diversified suppliers and created local partnerships. They implemented real-time inventory tracking systems. Results and lessons. Production resumed within 3 weeks. The company became more resilient against future disruptions. Jumping to solutions. Rushing to implement before understanding the problem fully. Skipping crucial analysis steps leads to treating symptoms rather than causes. Analysis paralysis. Getting stuck in endless research and evaluation. Perfectionism prevents timely action when good enough would suffice. Short-term focus. Prioritizing immediate relief over lasting solutions. Quick fixes often create larger problems down the road. Big data integration. IoT sensors will provide unprecedented insights into processes. Problems will be detected automatically through pattern recognition. Open innovation. Organizations will tap into global talent pools. Complex challenges will be solved through collective intelligence platforms. Quantum computing. Next-generation computing will tackle previously unsolvable problems. Optimization challenges will be resolved in seconds rather than years. 1. Identify the problem. Define clearly what needs to be solved. Create a specific problem statement. 2 to 3. Research and analyze. Gather relevant information. Break down the problem into components. 4 to 5. Generate and evaluate solutions. Brainstorm possibilities. Assess options against criteria. 6 to 8. Implement and review. Execute your plan. Measure results. Make adjustments as needed. Mindset matters. Approach challenges with curiosity and persistence. View problems as opportunities for growth. Process over instinct. Follow systematic steps even when tempted to skip ahead. Trust the methodology. Never stop learning. Continuously refine your skills. Study how others solve similar problems in different fields.